Reading the meanings of patterns. A pattern is a drawing of lines, shapes, or objects that is repeated. These patterns are simple. These patterns are complicated. Ancient patterns. People began to draw patterns thousands of years ago. They took ideas from things that they see in the world around them. The cultural people South America still use patterns, but they've used for centuries. The meaning of cultural patterns. Part of this basic cloth is plain and represent with no crops in the plan. The patterns are represent with growing patterns. Some patterns, lines and shapes. Sometimes animal worn over. Birds and creatures of lines or growing patterns. Third, Imperial third crop just before the rainy season in comparison with the growing season. Condor. The condor is a huge group of birds that live in the mountain and represent treason, freedom, and power. Traditional patterns. In Russia, people have used patterns for hundreds of years. The patterns come from village life, the countryside, and nature. They will use houses, on clothes, on nets, boxes, and trees. The meaning of old Russian patterns. Some patterns, somebody used shapes like the sun. The sun meant life and power. Some patterns were of bird. They meant joy and light. These patterns are built of scarves, aprons, shirts, and scarves. These patterns are still used today. Matryoshka dolls. Russia is famous for matryoshka dolls. Matryoshka comes a very old word for mother. These painted wooden dolls to halves and they are hollow. The dolls come apart and there are other dolls inside the dolls. Usually there are 5 dolls altogether, one inside the other, sometimes 7 or more. These patterns decorated with traditional patterns. These flowers are the dolls' aprons. These flowers are roses. The rose meant life and motherhood. Matryoshkas look like little round ladies from kind, friendly faces. Nowadays, there are lots of different kinds of dolls. There are lots of kinds of dolls. There are animals, different people, and characters from stories.